Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing, colorful AI QR codes quickly and easily. Before we dive in, let me tell you something interesting. QR codes used to be plain and boring, just black and white boxes. But thanks to AI, they've become super colorful and creative. Now you can make QR codes that not only look good but also grab attention. Let me show you how. First, open your browser and search for Magic Hour AI. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the website, click on the Sign Up button. Choose the option to sign up with your Google account. Then select your account and click Continue. This will take you to the homepage where you'll find many interesting features. We'll explore these features in detail in another video. Today, our focus is on how to create AI QR codes. Upon visiting the website, you can claim 100 daily frames. Let me claim mine now. Notice how my frames increased from 400 to 500. Remember, you can claim 100 frames every day. Next, scroll down the page and click on the AI QR Code Generator option. You'll see a variety of colorful QR code designs to choose from. Each QR code requires 20 frames. Now, let's generate a QR code. In the input field, you can type any text or URL for which you want to create a QR code. For example, I'll use the URL of a YouTube channel. I'll copy the link and paste it into the text box. Next, I'll select a design style that I like. Scroll down and click on the Generate button. In just a few seconds, a colorful QR code will be generated. You can click on the Download button to save it. Once scanned, the QR code will redirect users to the specified YouTube channel. You can also generate QR codes for other types of data. For instance, let's create one for a dummy phone number. Simply type the number in the input field, select a design, and click Generate. In less than a minute, a colorful QR code will appear. You can download it just as easily, and that's how you can create AI-powered QR codes with ease. That's it for today's video. Thanks to AI, QR codes are no longer boring. They're creative, colorful, and fun to use. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn to Earn Minds, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!